Igama uPriti Mkhize, i-institution esoyivula namhlanje iPotchefstroom Institute of Technology ethi menqanyulelwa sithi Shepitech. I-idea yaqhamuka ngo-2016 mangabe ngiqeda my masters ngiyosebenza eGoli. Ngifika lapha eGoli ngingababoni abantu bangasekhaya. Ngisebenza eFNB as a software developer. Inhliziyo yami yaba nento ukuthi hayibo kanye kutheni ngempela umuntu lohlangana nabantu bakwamanye ama province. So ngaba nento ukuthi mangabe sengithola ithuba ngizobuyela back la ngiqhamuka khona ePotchefstroom ngizovula i-institution ezokwazi ukuthi ibridge ama skills gap asendaweni ukuze ingane zikwazi ukufunda endaweni kuma skills abe accessible, imfundo ibe accessible emphakathini. The main focus institution ama digital skills esazi ku 4th Industrial Revolution transitional to 5th. So yonke into digital. Siqala nje kuma digital skills, sinama short course o basic and computing intermediate ne advanced. Siphinde sibe nama full qualification. Currently we are accredited for computer technician eUnyaka, software engineer diploma NQF level 6. Sikwi pipeline accreditation nayo bese sizeba ngenxa ukuthi case study yethu sicela ama mine lana eSouth Coast. Sinama qualification aseva inkampani njengama mine like occupational health and safety full qualification yonyaka. Siphinde sibe ne occupational health and safety practitioner manje ithanda ukuba nkulu leyo nayo futhi yonyaka. Sibe nama first aid, sibe ne entire faculty of beauty. As we all know, beauty industry currently peak. Sino beauty therapy bonyaka, sino beauty practitioner bonyaka, sino body massage therapist. Ama short course as be specializer. Body massage or 3 months, nail technician or 3 months, makeup artist or 3 months, and ngiyathanda ukuveza ukuthi we are accredited by QCTO, Quality Councils of Trades and Occupation. Okay, so into yokuqala nje sayenze sazama uku-engage umasipala walana eRenkonyeni, sazama nje ukusecure ama meeting ikakhulukazi noMadam Mayor uMzindle, ukhansela uMzindle, samtshela isifiso esinaso into esifisa uku-implementa le ndaweni. So kwaba ukuthi ke we do the normal applications, apply with the assets registry yaka Renkonyeni, and then it was a long process over 6 months, and then eventually into yethu yapresentwa, and then the whole department yaka assets registry yafika lana saphinde sapresenta bayithanda idea yethu, and then basinikeza ke lesakhiwo kodwa ke siyasirenda ke sisi asikusone sethu. I-industry banesithayayo, so ama-seat mangabe uso accredited abuya akhipha izinto ezibizwa ngama learnership. So for imindeni lengathatha entweni sizo-applyela ama learnership bese siwaveze online ukuthi njengamanje si-accreditelwa kanje, but laba ba-affordayo oyaye uthola ukuthi bayakwazi nokuthi baya kwenye indawo ezikude baze barent, siyacela ukuthi bazikhokhele ngenxa yokuthi awahleze ephuma ama learnership and aphuma at the discretion of ama-seater. Akwe-commendatory ukuthi basinike maso applyelele. Okay, njoba nje nibona nje la phakathi sinenkosi indaba ezitha kulomcimbi omngaka khona noma mayor, all the officials. I-institution isivulile, the entire institution bivulile, but besikade secure ama accreditation athatha unyaka nje ama accreditation. It's a long process. Kodwa institution sivulile, sine website www.shepitech.co.za. Siphinde futhi you can contact us on Facebook. We have a Facebook page, Potchefstroom Institute of Technology. Siphinde futhi sine WhatsApp line OU079 83 87 752. Yasibingelela lapha yani ucela i-catalog sikusendele i-brochure ena wonke ama qualification. If you are interested sikusendele application form, sikutshele ne-deposit emele uyikhokhe ukuze uconsider njengomfundi ose-registered, but ukufunda kuzoqala 23 January next year wonke ama class. And the space is limited njengoba nibona usize uDepartment of Higher Education uthi you can only enroll according to isize ye-institution yakho, so asikwazi ukuthatha more than sivumelekile ukuze abantwana bathole i-attention. Ama classes ethu intimate athatha i-facilitated to learner ratio yo 1:20, which mean iclass eli1 alikwazi ukuthatha more than 20 ukuze senze sure ukuthi ayikho umfundi oba lapha emuva egcine ngasazwa ngalutho.
Igama lami nguSanshana Ngamyende. I'm the executive chairperson of the NYDA What we have done today as an agency, we have committed to support some of the young people, abazofundalana, particularly those that are doing something in IT as well as skills development and safety. You know that this area in our minds, so it's important that we have young people abahlala la endaweni that are going to be skilled in order for them to participate in the mines. But secondary to that, what the fundamental issue is that young people want jobs, young people are unemployed, and you know that one of our priorities as this particular board is to address some issues abantu abasha bahlala emakhaya. So this particular program seeks to address that, ukuthi abantu abasha bakwazi na ukuthola amathuba omsebenzi, but also be able to participate in the economy. So that's our main purpose why we're here today.
Ngibingelela angibonge ithuba engilitholayo umeya waseRenkonyeni ukhansela uZodwa waKaMzindle. Namhlanje sike ward 24 MPCC Center eyakhiwa iRenkonyeni eyayakhele umphakathi wakhona la kwaNdwalane Tribal Authority. Namhlanje ke sihlangene la msakazi ngoba sizovula isikole iPotchefstroom Institute ezofundisa abantwana bethu iskill. Khona iskill abazobanikeza sona. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyakhumbula ukuthi babale izinto eziningi la ngaphakathi ebebesho ebezofundisa la, but ayizelanga abantu bendawo kuphela. Njengoba sisho sithi sike Renkonyeni, sikhava umkhandlo waseRenkonyeni wonke from ward 1 to ward 36 abantu abazoza bazofunda la. Mhlawumbe umuntu kufanele akubeke kucace ukuthi le institution kuzokhokhwa kuyona, kodwa abantu uDr Sunshine obekade khona la weNYDA ukuchazile ukuthi abantu abaningi abazobe befisa ukuzofunda la eyiphi indlela abazokwazi ukuthi balekeleleke ngayo together besebenzisana ne-founder institution uNana Mkhize okuMashange okuyena ovule lesikole epartnerisha nomkhandlu uRenkonyeni nabanye ke bebekhona ebebemlekelela ngaphakathi. So esikufisayo ukuthi ke njengoba le ndawo seyikhona seyivuliwe nibonile indawo ekuzosetshenzelwa kuzona uthi umphakathi usilekelele ngokuthi igcinwe iyinhle injengale, baphinde futhi abantwana basondele beze bazofunda baphase kuze babe neskill, ngoba angeke sikwazi emkhandlweni ukubaqasha bonke abantu, but iskill esofarishwa la sizokuthatha sikubeke kwenye indawo, angeke uzuzisole.